Good morning, everyone. Happy almost Christmas, December 24th, Wednesday. Yeah, almost here, almost gone. That was a quick year, thank goodness. Okay. Yesterday, 124.62. Today, 142.48. I didn't think I sold that much today. I did cancel an order. You know, someone's kids ordered a postcard by mistake. They didn't consent to it. I think that was like a 20 some odd dollar order. Canceled, which is fine. But yeah, don't blame that shit on your kids. Okay, what's going out? BA7. Got all my Christmas wrapping done yesterday. Anybody else's family buy like 3 or 4 brand new rolls of Christmas wrapping paper every year, and they have a big tote full of Christmas wrapping paper from 10 to 15 years ago. Still hundreds of feet probably on these rolls. Probably not that many, but 20s of feet. But yet, every year you gotta buy brand new wrapping paper. I refused. I was told that there was wrapping paper, special this year's wrapping paper for the kid, and no. I wrapped all her 7 gifts in old wrapping paper from years ago. One I think had Disney princesses on. My daughter's 20. But I'm using it up. And maybe 5 or 6 years from now, I'll use this year's wrapping paper. Like, why do we have it? I got that done yesterday. Let me see if there's any more in this BA box. Let me see. V4. Stole a steamship. Sold a steamship card. A lot of these I bought years ago. I had a really great collection I had bought. It was an eBay purchase. And a lot were steamships. And I've done extremely well with those. I guess is it. New Bedford. Yeah, ooh, that feels a little soft on the side. I need to check that out. Not that much I can do about it, but almost feels like it could have delaminated. No, that's fine. Just maybe a little bit thinner paper, a little floppier. Got different colored sort tabs printing after that orange fail. Yesterday, and they turned out good. I got red and purple printing now. I don't know, it might not, I don't know if people want to sort by color, but I'll probably have like a lot of, I think I have like 25 different colors. So I'll have that as a lot. I mean, yeah, they just take time to print. There's another V. I know there's another V. Where is it? There, V26. It's telling you about the TDA TOAs, or maybe I was telling my subscribers about, or my members about the TOA domestic airlines. That's a cool one. Got all the stewardesses. Of course, you got the interiors from the 70s or so. Cool. This whole section is like airline issued and airports. Airports can do fairly well Are you in the back? You are in the back. Yeah, it was like $15. Got half a dozen or more. So the thumbnail, I'll probably, it's the years are gone where, the kid has toys that need put together or family games to do. So it's like after opening presents on Christmas morning, we just kind of sit around. So we may kind of end up, then we kind of go off and do our own things for the day. I may end up listing or working. I enjoy it. But I just can't sit and not do something. And I don't like that something to be like doom scrolling reels. So I need to kind of keep busy doing something productive. And I really don't like sit during the day and read. I know I asked for a whole bunch of books from Santa Claus, but I just read at night in bed for half an hour or so until I get sleepy. So I'm just not I gotta be doing something, just something productive. And I have a lot of listing to do, so that would be fun. Okay, what was that? Franklin Automobile. I don't think I've ever heard of a Franklin Auto before. Airplane. Wonder, and I didn't get down the rabbit hole. Like, Franklin Autos, was it eventually sold to Buick or something like that, or did I don't get into those rabbit holes often. Nice sale here. Oh, I know what, I gotta get my crap together for the Whatnot show on Saturday. Maybe I'll do that after I pack. Haven't got Christmas cards, so I definitely gotta go to the post office and then hit a card store. We're the local gas station. The gas station has really picked up their Hallmark selection. Oh, that one goes in a top loader. So yeah, we got I got a show Saturday and Sunday. I forgot. So Saturday is the clearance. EG. Oh, I need it back in that box. Other back-to-back nice sales here. So yeah, I need to work on that. What is this? Texas Rod and Gun Club. It is. Nope. The one above it. There's that one. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I really got nothing. Not much rambling this morning. Not this guy. Yeah, this guy got a whole bunch. And I did the TDA one. 032. Ocean City, Maryland. See, yeah, people were... There's a couple Ocean City ones. Winter. People would much rather be at the beach. A couple. Oh, nice. Nice. Huh? Nice little... What is that? $60 maybe? $40? $50? Something like that. There's that one. No, it's probably, I should have checked. It's probably in that same, AW, and they're spread out all over the place. AW6. Another, is it the same one? Yeah, Mount Pleasant Hotel. There's that one. And W22. And that one. Oh, he missed this one. That's a nice hotel. There's that one. I was just talking about Beachy Town people buying, didn't I? Just the other day? That's not the one I want. It'd probably be a 15-minute video, maybe. Usually I can't quite fit 3 separately sleeved ones. Usually that's a little tight. Oh, no, it's gonna go. Yeah. Oh, as I say that. Yeah, probably a little bit too tight. That one's ready. Okay. And I think, oh, who's this guy? Different one. Got that one. I had a whole bunch of offers come in, and kind of, it's a pain in the butt because the guy's in Brazil. I thought I blocked Brazil, actually. But I guess I didn't. 26. Pigeon Forge. A choo-choo train? Oh yeah, choo-choo train. And but anyway, Christmas. Yeah, we don't have any traditions really since we've moved to Maryland down here. All of her family's up one side of PA, mine's on the other. If really, but I don't associate with them anymore. Just because of distance. Mom's in a home. There's a mosquito. What the hell? I don't know where it went. But I saw a freaking mosquito. December 24th, dude. What I like about winter, you don't get too many bugs. But anyway, yeah, one brother's just, he's been pretty much, he's dead to me. And the other one's in Australia, so yeah, we don't do anything. Nothing. Growing up, growing up, Christmas in the 70s was pretty cool. Always went to different family members. Christmas Eve, that was always fun. Okay, he paid $15, so I got a refund. I think he has one, two, there's 3, there's 4. These are all movie photo cards. And that one, and that one. So I got to figure that out. It's probably going to be 2 Forever Stamp International stamps. Yeah, probably 2, maybe 3. I'm not sending it. I have so many of these. One of these, I have like 500 of them. I'm not going to send it first class. Stamp and a prayer, or 2 stamps and a prayer. Okay, let's see. Anything else? Nothing else. Let me show you. Yeah, last 2 shows I have scheduled. End of year clearance on Saturday. I'll be loading stuff. And the Postcard Palooza. I have to load stuff for an hour show. So that's this weekend. And then I got to schedule into the year. And I'll do that at some other point. Postcard shows beginning of the year. This I don't think was on there before. Hilliard, Ohio. Columbus Paper and Postcard Show at the Franklin Fairgrounds in a couple weeks. And then the Florida and then all the warm places. All the warm places. Well, except again, Oklahoma in the winter. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas. I don't think I'll put out a video tomorrow. So I hope you all have a good Christmas. And I hope Santa brings you everything you wanted on your list. Okay. Thanks, everybody.